Students, welcome back. Let's continue with the simple programs using 8051 microcontroller instructions. So now let me take another program. So here is just an instructions I'm writing. I want to load some data, that is a 45H in external memory location. Let's take 8000H. So now in the previous video I explained the content of external memory location is moving to accumulator. Now I want to load the data. What is the data? That is that 45H has to be stored in 8000H. So for that you need to write first move whatever that memory location that has to be moved to the data pointer, dptr, comma, this is the immediate address is moving to data pointer. Now dptr contain 8000. Next move accumulator contains 45H. So this is the 45H immediate data is moving to the accumulator. Now accumulator contains 45 data and data pointer contains 8000 memory location. And finally you need to write move x at the rate of dptr, comma, a. So a has to be copy the content of accumulator, whatever that is 45H is present. That 45H is stored into external memory location 8000. So here copy the content of, only the content of accumulator, that is a 45H into external memory location, that is 8000H. So dptr contains 8000. So at the rate of 8000 means now this in that 8000 location 45 is moving. So at the rate means the content, and 8000 dptr is the, this is the dptr and this is the at the rate of dptr. Okay, so let me write another program. Write program instruction to load a byte in memory location. Let's take the memory location 8000H. And so after storing the data in memory location and increment the content of memory location. So whatever the data that I am storing in 8000H, so that has to be first stored data. After that, that data has to be incremented. So how it is possible? Let's see. For that you need to write the code. First move dptr, comma, hash 8000H. So now this 8000 memory location is dptr is stored contains the 8000 memory location. Move a, comma, let's take 48H. It's immediate data. Now the accumulator is holding a data. Now move x at the rate of dptr, comma, a. Okay, means now in 8000 location 48 is stored. So up to here it is clear. Load the byte of memory location. So I already load the byte of memory location. Now I want to increment the content of memory location. Content means this value. This is a memory location and this is the content. I want to increment the content of memory location. For that you need to write increment a. So now the a becomes 49 in the same memory location. Increment a. Next move x at the rate of dptr, comma, a. So now the a, whenever I increment the a, this 48 is replaced with the 49. So load 49, that is the content of accumulator, into external memory location 8000. So in that 8000 the 48 is replaced with the 49. So let me show you a simple program, one more. So here I want to store some values, that is the 01 head, 02 head, 03 and 04 in registers R0, R1, R2 and R3 respectively, and exchange data stored in registers R0 with R1 and data in registers R2 and R3. Just I want to exchange. First I'll store all the values in the registers. After that I want to exchange the values from one register to another register. So this is all for storing the loading the values in the register. 01 in R0, 02 in R1, 03 in R2 and 04 is in R3. Okay, so now all the registers contain values. R0 01, R1 02, R2 03 and R3 04 values will be there. Now move R0 into A. Now the accumulator contains 01. Exchange A comma R1. So exchange A comma R1 means now R1 contains 02, A contains 01. So from this statement now A contains 02, R1 contains 01. So the value will be exchanged. Now A is holding the 02 value. Then move the A value into move R0 comma A. So this step means now R0 contains 02. So now is values are exchanged or not? So previously R0 is 01, R1 is 02. Now R0 is 02 and R1 is 01. The values are exchanged with the help of this statement. Just exchange. By using the accumulator register, you just exchange. See here. Move A comma R2. Okay. Now R2 contains, A contains, R2 means 03. Exchange A comma R3. R3 is 04. Just exchange. Now A contains 04, R3 contains 03. Finally, you need to move R2 comma A. So whatever the A value is there, that you have to move to R2. Now R2 contains 04. So now R3 and R2 values are exchanged. So this is the way you have to write a program by using the instruction exchange to exchange the value. And one more simple program. So that is just adding the numbers. It's an 8-bit addition. 8-bit addition. So move A comma hash 23. So this means I'm taking some registers. A is the accumulator and R1, R2 are the temporary registers I'm taking. So that is the data 1 is moved to the accumulator, and then let's take the data 2, that is 11 is moving to R1 register. And here I'm using R2 as because I'm just taking one register to hold the carry. So actually this is an 8-bit register and I'm taking one more 8-bit register so that it holds the carry. Set R2 for carry. So add A comma R1. So now adding 23, 11. You will get 34. So add A comma R1. Jump no carry ahead. Suppose if there is no carry, you need to jump here. Okay. There is no carry. So I am jumping. Suppose if there is a carry, you need to increment R2. R2 is set for 0, 0. So this is R1 and here is R2 is set to 0, 0. Suppose any increment is there, then add to R2. So no increment is there, it jumps to this statement. So set data pointer to a location. I am taking one of the memory location, that 9000 to store the value, that is 9200 is a memory location and stored in DPTR. Now the A value, whatever I get, that is a 34. 34 is moved into the 9200. So in 9200 location, 34 value will be stored. So now increment the data pointer. DPTR has to be incremented, means the next memory location 9202. Then move R2 comma A. If anything like if carry is there, then move to the A register and move the contents of location pointer by the DPTR and the program. So this is how you have to write the 8-bit addition program. Thank you.